Welcome everyone, it's Greg from Plus One Productions again. I'm going to talk to you about my Porsche 924. We've got a current ongoing issue with the fuel cleanliness, so I'm going to be changing the fuel filter straight off the petrol tank today, and I'll show you how we go about that. I've seen a few videos by someone else. It's located in here somewhere, in behind the driver's side. Well, I'm the right hand drive market, in behind the right hand side driver's wheel. The tank is on this side. You can see where the fuel filter tank is, and all the hoses and the main fuel pump and the main fuel filter is there. Okay, so what I need is I've got my WD-40, some rags, I've got my fuel filter, which is a Ryco Z399. I believe that's a compatible part because it's on the side. There we go. Whatever that is. I've got some hard gloves, got plenty of jack stands because I'm going to pop it up and take the wheel off. I've got some light, I've got a fuel hose clamp, some fuel, a wooden block just in case I need to sit jack stands on that, a couple of 19mm spanners, jack, of course. Never use the standard jack on the Porsche or a Mercedes, they're always pretty hopeless. Some screwdrivers for getting out the clamps, some nitrite gloves, a little receptacle to catch any petrol that might drizzle out, and in here I will have somewhere a box of tricks. Where are we? Box of tricks. Aha! The special locking nut, its own special shaped screw for taking off the security lug, and a wheel spanner. All right. I did have this going yesterday. It was Christmas Day yesterday, Boxing Day today, and I was showing family and friends the car, and I left the ignition turned on, so the battery's completely flat today. So I'm going to try and work just in this little space here. The joys of not having a garage, but anyway, I'll see what I can do. Otherwise I'll get the trickle charger out and have to do it tomorrow. But anyway, I'm going to take a break for a bit whilst I get everything set up. Cheers.